Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll discuss important news about your results, evaluation, TG EPSET 2025 and much more. As you know students, Inter Sport Valuation 2025 is still going on. That started on 10th March. So earlier lecturers were correcting about 30 papers per day, but now due to extra 20,000 papers they need to correct 45 papers per day. Earlier the camp timings were 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. but now it is 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Extra 1 hour teachers are working. So more than 14,000 evaluators across Telangana involved in collecting and evaluating papers. Evaluators are doing 45 papers per day, but scrutinizer is checking about 200 papers per day. Checking and rectifying of each and every bit is very essential. Corrections for inter second year have already begun in many camps. After a continuous 20 days of evaluation process, teachers now get a relief of 2 days for Ugadi and for Eid. That is a holiday on 30th and 31st of March. So in the evaluation camp, they're following a no work, no pay policy. Ugadi holiday was declared for everyone, but Eid holiday was declared only for Muslims. The valuation process for everyone will resume on 1st April. So the paper valuation process is likely to finish by the 8th of April, after which there will be some rectification of errors by the scrutinizers and then final uploading of marks. So hopefully by the second week of April the whole process will end and by the third week the results will be declared. Now regarding TS EMSET, now known as TG EPSET, that is Telangana State Engineering, Agriculture and Pharmacy Common Entrance Test. The exam for the engineering stream, that is MPC, is scheduled in the first week of May 2025, and for agriculture and pharmacy students the exam is scheduled from April 29th to 30th April 2025. The registration of TG EPSET began on 1st March 2025 and the last date to submit TG EPSET application form is April 4th, 2025. So many students have a doubt that if they are failing in intermediate exams, does that mean they cannot appear for TG EPSET? So let me tell you students that you will not be disqualified from writing TG EPSET exam. You can still appear for that exam. So what you can do is you can apply for supplementary exams and your supplementary result can be considered for admission into engineering medical programs through TG EPSET. But again their admission will be provisional until they pass the supplementary exams. But students must make sure that they pass supplementary exams before the specified cutoff date to secure their admission. If they fail the supplementary exams, their provisional admission will be cancelled. The new academic classes for intermediate first year and second year will commence from 1st June 2025. So once the results are declared, they can apply for college admissions and it is advisable for students to choose colleges wisely by selecting the institutions that not only have a reputed name but also provide excellent academic support and facilities. Rather than being influenced by popular colleges or aggressive management calls that you'll get right after your 10th class results, students should focus on colleges that genuinely support academic excellence and have quality education for students. Most of the students who have written the intermediate exams are passing. The pass percentage is more. It's very rare that students are failing. Even if a student is unable to pass by 2 to 3 marks, the faculties are making sure to pass them, to drag them and pass them. So there's no need to worry at all students. Definitely all of you will pass. And happy Ugadi and Eid Mubarak in advance to those who are celebrating.